Hey guys, it's your girl Trina, and I'm back with another video. I'm recording this after I already recorded everything else, so it's a little complicated. But today's video is about me going to school and having a pep rally, and then afterwards I hang out with my friend Lainey, and we kind of mess around in some stores and do stupid stuff. So let's get to it.
Bryce, you were here? After yesterday? Eva, you're after too?
At this time, please dismiss the first floor to the assembly. At this time, please dismiss the first floor to the assembly.
Second place for Black and Orange Day was the seniors. Today.
34% the sophomore. Let's go, competitors! Hang your heads low, sophomores. Hang your heads low. This is it, ladies and gentlemen. Can the seniors get some points back? The seniors could take the lead one more time. In third place, with 25 points, the sophomores. In second place with 33 points was the juniors, winning Spirit Week with 37 points. The seniors.
Look, I found it. Hey, hi. Hi again. It doesn't work at all? What's going on? We gotta find some more. Let's go find some more. Oh, here's you. What's that? They shake their butts better than the pom squad. That one doesn't shake its butt. It just talks. I think it's broken. Let's go away so they don't think we broke it. We're back, but here's a story which shocks us all. one of our friends just walked in and asked us. One of our friends just walked in and said she locked her keys in the car, and it's a complete coincidence that she was even here at the same time. We're getting McDonald's because we're hungry. Why aren't you going? My window's down so I can't talk too loud because people will look at me funny. You know how I like was talking to the camera at the store? I love doing that because like people all turn their heads and look at me like I'm talking to them or something. I'm like, hi. Oh, they're going. Sweet. Like try and get the food before my brother comes and wow, my eyes look funny. I look like I just rolled out of bed because I kind of did. That's literally, I woke up at 7:15 and had to hurry up and get out the door. I'm dead serious. My mom's coming downstairs. Trina! Like, I know! Mine does too. I put on makeup this morning, but it didn't work. The struggles. Steep. Don't look at me like that. Why are you looking at me like that? Roll up my window. Weirdo. Why does my window look like that? Do you see that? It's like streaky. Yeah. Weird. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like if you like it. You do all that jazz. Leave a comment below. It was recently Valentine's Day, so let me know what you guys got for Valentine's Day. I also want to make a big shout out to a really good friend of mine. Her name is Trina Evans. You can find her on YouTube. She is one of my biggest supporters throughout this thing, besides like my boyfriend and other than that, but she is a really good friend, and I would really appreciate if you go and check her channel out. On that note, thanks guys.